COVID outbreak hit the wellness and fitness industry badly. The worldwide stay-at-home orders issued by the WHO forced all offline fitness centers like gyms, spas, health clubs, etc. to shut down. It caused great panic amongst the business owners and entrepreneurs dealing in the fitness industry. To keep their businesses running amidst the pandemic times was a big challenge. Thanks to emerging on-demand fitness platforms that not just helped them survive these tough times, but thrive successfully. With lockdown enforced worldwide, staying fit and healthy turned out to be more than essential for everyone. Looking out for alternate ways, online fitness and wellness apps served every single need of the users ideally. And this resulted in a huge spike in the number of active users over the period. Moreover, the global online, virtual fitness market size was valued at $6,046 million in 2019, and is projected to reach at $59,231 million by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 33.1%. Undoubtedly, online health and fitness apps are the new normal, which is here to stay for long and forever. Launching your branded fitness app and website ensures